All right, so this is the next video, and the video is basically on computer graphics. And the course emphasizes a hands-on approach to using computer graphics. The topics covered includes models, picture description and interaction, C windowing, clipping, panning, and zooming, geometrical transformations in 2D and 3D, algorithms for raster displays, scan line conversion, polygon, fill polygon, clipping, etc. Hidden line and hidden surface, removals of shading models, user interaction. So this is basically all the parts for that course. And the idea between this particular course is you would want to make sure that you are familiar with maybe how computer graphics is actually implemented as interactive computer graphics, virtual reality, and even game design and development is in there. I'm actually really interested in stuff like that. I've been looking online at Coursera to try to see what was actually available, and there is an interactive computer graphics course, a fundamentals of graphic design, computational geometry, and the list goes on. But the idea would be to try to find like a beginner's course that is easy to understand and easy to wrap your head around. When I try to work on Coursera, I try to pay attention to the fact that I want it to be something that I can work on periodically throughout the day. For example, I look at Coursera as kind of like watching episodes of some TV show on Netflix or Hulu or Crunchyroll. And each week or each episode could be 30 minutes or so. And I try to figure out what I want to do within 30 minutes that will provide utility and allow me to learn some new skill. The idea between that is to try to quickly grab some sort of information and apply it somehow, either writing something down, completing a project, or preparing for an actual course where you're going to be sitting down in the course. One thing about doing these things is that I feel good when the teacher is talking about something that I'm familiar with. And the teachers even say that they want you to go ahead and read the material before you actually sit down in the class. And now, here in 2020, I mean, for the last few years also, there was actual opportunities to read and learn about different courses before you actually getting into the course. So I'm looking to do certain things like that. So this course might be another course I might be interested in. But remembering that the course, in order for me to be qualified for a master's degree in computer science, all you need is 31 credits. So that's like roughly 15 credits. And I think about maybe 10 of those credits are going to be like an advanced project. And the projects I'm actually going to be working on are the ones I'm working on right now. And I'm going to try to be looking at submitting those projects, a part of the particular graduate program, or I'm going to be using the project. I'm going to be using that as a way to find work for other people's projects, whether it's an internship or not. One thing about computer science that I actually like is that there's a lot of project-based opportunities. Let me bring this down so you can see my head. Yeah. So one thing I like about it is like there's a lot of project-based opportunities. So you can actually go ahead and actually create a project on your own, not just have to write a thesis, not just doing work on your own. I have a lot of experience relative to most people who are probably going to school, and usually people go get their master's degree in computer science right after they get the undergrad. So I'm hoping to be able to leverage that to find more opportunities and maybe talk closer to the teachers, network with the people, and try to be able to find more opportunities that are, that have a greater purpose rather than just getting a paycheck, because I don't really want to do that anymore. Anyway, next course I'm going to do is going to be artificial intelligence, which is going to be CSE 537, and I'll be talking about that in the next video. Stay tuned.